He said, I'll show you what she is like. He said, come to that outside. There you are. That's your key. May not be able to change it. Sorry, she will. Well, then about this time, I went up in my first evening flight with a Marcus D. Mint, for which I paid 2 guineas at the old engineering that leaves you passenger flights on the exhibition days. The exhibition days were Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday. And you could go up with this and I took the time to new flight, and then I went to sleeping there at Marcus D. Mint. And quite frankly, I took it when you sit down in my life, I never feel. I don't know.